Hi, my name is Priscilla Johnson, and I'm a recent graduate from the University of West of England, or UW Bristol. I studied aerospace engineering with pilot studies, and I specialized in manufacturing. I decided to become an engineer because I loved maths and I loved anything that was science, technology, and engineering based. I love to do practical work and experiments and have hands on things with different projects. And I found that these were the things that an engineer did for on their day to day life at work. And so I decided this is something that I would really love to go into. To be an engineer, you do need to have a good understanding of maths and a good understanding of science as well. But you also need more skills and knowledge depending on what type of engineering you go into. So if you want to go into design, you need to know how to design stuff on the computer, even on paper. You need to know how to make things, how to do different processes, and even how to code on the computer and program. And so that's the beauty of engineering. You really can find something that you enjoy, and the skill that you have most likely is needed and used in engineering. And at university we use digital tools for designing products and finding faults and programming, and the having a digital tool is such a great help for engineers all around the world because they can work together on one thing, which will be good, which will be safe, and which will be complex. And also university, they whenever we're doing an assignment, they ask us to consider if the final product or final outcome is sustainable, if it's eco-friendly, and whether or not it will harm the environment or not. And so digital tool is such a great help on that factor, because when you are making a product and if you use digital tool, you can find the fault and the issue right at the start before you even go and make the product. Whereas if you had done the other way around, then you would have wasted time, money, fuel, materials, and that cost quite a lot. Especially when you're in aerospace and you're making planes, you have to be very careful. It has to be safe, and you can't have any mistakes, and it costs quite a lot to have mistakes. So digital tools are great help for engineering because it helps us to get things right the first time around. The thing that I love most about being an engineer is the fact that I know I will impact somebody with my work either today or tomorrow. And there are so many different fields in engineering that you will definitely find something that you will love and somewhere that you can make an impact.